This video lesson will help you learn and practice the correct use of the preposition on. On days. I was born on Friday. I was not born on Friday. On dates. We met on 8th June. We did not meet on 8th June. On weekend. We went shopping on the weekend. We did not go shopping on the weekend. On special occasions. I met her on my birthday. I did not meet her on my birthday. On holidays. We stayed home on Christmas Eve. We did not stay home on Christmas Eve. On surface. The keys are on the table. The keys are not on the table. On wall or board. He drew a picture on the wall. He did not draw a picture on the wall. On page number. The answer is on page number 10. The answer is not on page number 10. On TV, radio, or internet. I watched the show on TV. I did not watch the show on TV. On online platforms. I saw it on YouTube. I did not see it on YouTube. On street or road. His shop is on ABC Road. His shop is not on ABC Road. On list. Your name is on the list. Your name is not on the list. On calendar. The event is marked on the calendar. The event is not marked on the calendar. On schedule. The meeting is on the schedule. The meeting is not on the schedule. On phone. He is talking on the phone. He is not talking on the phone. On bus, train, or plane. She is on the bus. She is not on the bus. On website. I found the recipe on Google. I did not find the recipe on Google. On duty. The doctor is on duty. The doctor is not on duty. On scheduled time. The train arrived on time. The train did not arrive on time. On vacation or leave. She is on leave today. She is not on leave today. On way. He is on his way to office. He is not on his way to office. On news. I heard it on the news. I did not hear it on the news. On diet. She is on a diet. She is not on a diet. On trip. He is on a business trip. He is not on a business trip. On site. The bank is on the left side. The bank is not on the left side. On specific day. We met him on Friday. We did not meet him on Friday. Practice time. I was born on Monday. The pen is on the table. They are on the bus. She is not on the train. It's not on the calendar. He arrived on time. My name is on the list. We talked on the phone. The girl sat on the bench. She is on leave today. So today we learned that preposition on is used for days, dates, surface and more. Now you try and write 3 sentences using preposition on and share them in the comments. Thank you for watching.